game changer. I'm a risk taker.
Hello RCAP, we are Group Alt F4 from Singapore. I am 𝗣𝗲𝙘 and my teammate is 𝗘𝗱𝗂𝗃. We study in Anderson Secondary School and go to the robotics club in our school. We have previously participated in RCAP Tianjin 2021 and RCSG 2021. We participated in the CoSpace Rescue U19 challenge.
One problem that we face will be that our robot will get stuck in a loop of reversing and moving forward if it entered a certain corner between a wall and the board of the map. This meant that we either had to use a relocate and waste 10 seconds or restart the run completely. To solve this, we reversed the direction that the robot was moving in to ensure that there was no way that it could get stuck in that area. Originally, the robot moved in a clockwise manner which caused it to get stuck. Hence, we simply made the robot go in a counterclockwise direction. As a result of that tweak, we were able to obtain a run with 1,140 points and are pleased to be given another chance to learn and compete again in the final.
The challenge mission is to collect as many points as possible by collecting and depositing as many blocks as possible within the time limit. The challenge task can be broken down into many mini tasks. These mini tasks include picking up the blocks, depositing the blocks, and avoiding traps and borders. However, there needs to be a certain order to these mini tasks or else the robot will get disoriented. These small tasks, when completed together, will contribute to the success or even failure of the run. For example, should the robot fail to locate the deposit zone and deposit the objects on board, the robot will not be able to get enough points. However, if the robot is able to consistently deposit objects, it will boost the points by quite a bit.
To start off, we aim to collect 6 objects. After collecting 3 or more objects, if the robot happened to run over the deposit zone, it would deposit. After depositing, if our robot deposited a set of RCB, a super object will be created. Then the cycle continues. If at any time the robot senses that it is near a trap or a wall, or it realizes that it is near the border, it will turn away. When we had problems remembering how to program any of the basic codes, we referred to this video for the basic codes. It only made sense to use this video as it was procured by the people of RCAP itself, so we knew that it was reliable and that it would work.
This is a flowchart that represents the logic our robot uses.
Our robot mostly went according to plan. The basic code that we had prepared in advance worked, and all we had to do was update the ranges for the object colors and deposit zones.
We are extremely satisfied with the result as we had aimed for a score of upwards of 850. We were able to shatter our previous record by over 200 points, and we are glad that we were able to do so. Should we have another chance, we would aim to improve on our consistency. Our program was rather hit or miss, and consequently, we were forced to spend more time on grinding results out for good runs. In total, we spent about 13 hours trying to get good runs with higher points than previous runs.
Through this competition, we have learned about perseverance. During the preliminary round, we confined ourselves to grinding out the best results we could get from the robot and the code that we had written, and eventually managed to get good runs that we could use. We have also learned about teamwork. Through this experience, we have learned that instead of just sharing each task, we can let each member do one whole task that they are good at, while the other member works on another aspect that they are good at, so as to save time during the competition.
Thank you for listening to our presentation, and we wish you a good day ahead. Goodbye.